Drink it. Lalo.
With the baby.
Yeah.
It's my extra one.
Can I sit here together?
Your mom is sitting there, baby.
Oh, she
Well, whenever you're done,
I know.
Well, you're a chapa?
Desiree said that shit busting too.
That shit is nasty. That shit is not busting.
That is busting.
Bro,
Wait, you're gonna give it to me?
that
That shit is not busting. Just everyone wants it. I'm just holding the cup.
Everybody says, hey, babe.
Girl, you're pixelated. I know.
This shit is so good.
Because literally my service is so bad and I wanted to go live so bad and nothing is loading for me. My service is really fucking bad. But whatever.
Xavier.
Oh, whatever.
It's the best.
My brothers are in front of me.
Even said it too. This shit good.
Which brother?
Julie, Miss Ma'am. Hi sister. Hi. But my quality is probably. Miss Ma'am.
someone chocolate sweet.
Anyways, happy National Girlfriend Day.
But they're saying your quality is good, but they're saying it's bad.
It's bad because I have no service. Not here, but like this area. Outfit of the day.
She has an iPhone 12 Pro.
Oh, crazy on me.
Why are you eating the taco with?
Bro, I swear to God, I'm not even playing with you, bro.
Look at these tacos. You want an ACMR?
Oh, my meat
Mukbang?
Mukbang.
Oh.
You said ACMR.
He said mukbang.
Good.
He said mukbang.
You said ACMR. Not ASMR.
This is ACMR.
It's ASMR.
Hey, you got a spoonful? I need a spoon.
And what about it?
And what about it?
And what about it? Huh? Exactly. Anyways, we got the matching ears, not the matching top, but the same color top. Actually, mine's like a cream. Hers is white. Same pants. Shorts.
Same size. Same size.
And
Same people.
and my Nike socks.
Look at me.
Okay, look at us.
Air Force.
Okay. The Nike.
You
It's all about the Nike socks.
I got Nike.
We all got them.
I would have for my Air Forces, but they were too cream. Yep, pretty sure.
My phone's gonna die, and I'm over here. We're
Bruh.
going to Disneyland on Tuesday.
I
Leave LA tomorrow.
I'm trying to watch the actual play today.
I'm trying to watch the Mexico game. They're about to play and like.
I think they're gonna play here. But I'm about to get in a roller coaster.
Why does that look like that?
Yo. Ew, get a Birria taco. It's like dog food, man.
Get up, Birria tacos.
It's like dog food.
I know. It looks like if Nova like threw that up, right?
Yeah. That's some
Or
love.
am I tripping?
It's like those Oh. Bro, this thing is already squished.
Can I have some of your Birria tacos?
Nah.
I'm playing.
That's them.
Huh?
Like, look at her tacos.
It looks like someone threw it up.
The tacos. Look.
What's it? This one's fine.
Mama.
There's water in this stuff.
Nobody's Xavier, you switched?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put my plate in? Your mom left?
They're right there.
Why you switch?
Who wanted to be on my live?
That's because I'm looking at my phone from there.
Burning. ¿Quién se está haciendo? I don't know what the comments are doing. There's just so much comments.
I don't feel like eating this. I don't even want to throw up. Get this.
Okay, I'm gonna try whatever Xavier had. Oh my gosh, that's such a sauce.
Get the sauce, bro.
Is that my phone? Okay.
Yeah, me too that you got this. Okay, guys.
Who's Kim?
So I got something else
Kim Kardashian?
because I didn't want that, and
I don't know.
wanted to try these. So they're called Birria tacos, and they have like meat, hot. They're hot. They have
Hey, I like my tacos.
and then they have like a sauce that you dip in. I'm gonna wait for it to cool because right now it's very hot. Like I can't even hold it. It's hot. But this looks good because my brother says it's like so good. But, like,
Yup.
he eats it.
They're good.
Where's my? I want their taco.
Xavier, you're just answering questions for me. You got it. I'm not eating birria tacos. I'm eating.
Oh, I thought I was Kim Kardashian, bro. I was gonna say that's her birthday.
I'm eating some Birria tacos.
Today is the worst day of my life. Today's not my day.
Why?
I literally just grabbed my taco to bite it, and I let go of it, and it all fell.
Is it
What
good?
happened to me? Well, just
Get this.
go tell them.
I'm not
Go
eating.
tell them that it's really watering.
Ew, I'm not eating.
Like my stuff
I'm
failed.
not even hungry.
Like that's a stiff on my tongue.
Oh, that's Kim Kardashian? She changed her user? Her tacos are Kim Kardashian changed her user. Are you able to see if my phone is out here?
I mean, there's two phones now. Yeah, it's there.
They have like water.
My shit broke apart.
No water. Porque es carne. Ya también pinche frío no come, ya acabamos de comer nosotros.
I'm not eating. I already ate.
¿Cuándo comes?
I don't eat. I don't care.
I'm gonna try it. It's hot though.
They want ASMR.
Como yo soy frío. Como yo soy
Because he eats.
Wait.
That's nasty.
He eats.
For me? Me too, I eat.
Okay, so I'm gonna eat it. Try it. Just dip it in here. That's good. Kind of spicy. It's good though.
ASMR as fuck. Oh god. He's over here.
But it was good.
Bro, why are you taking pictures of me?
I don't have an attitude. I'm just irritated. Because my tacos were not
I'm
good.
not Asian. I'm not Asian. I was Asian.
And all I ate was what I eat. In the morning, I
Breakfast, fruit, bacon.
I ate bacon.
They made an ice cream
A lot
Dorito.
of snacks throughout the whole day.
But I ate bacon.
No, but I know, but I'm saying you've been, I guess, eating a lot of snacks throughout the day. Maybe that's why you're full.
Like you ate a whole ice cream. Like I couldn't even eat that.
Who wants
Yeah, hot Cheetos and ice cream.
Why don't you try and Wait, hot Cheetos and ice cream? But now it's good? I told you it was gonna be good.
But the sauce is kind of spicy.
Bruh, it's not even spicy.
Stop capping. You ain't even dipping in it.
My tacos were so good.
Henry. I'm gonna late and you didn't text me.
Who's Henry?
My friend.
Oh, how was he?
Huh?
How old?
There's so many.
I'm not even sure how old he is. But I think he is older than me. Henry, are you older than me? I'm pretty sure he's older than me.
Desi, where is your necklace
From this girl right here.
Yo.
Bought it for me.
from? Xavier, nobody wants to see
They
that.
want to see the taco.
Xavier, you are comedy. I love it.
I'm about to turn 18.
Like you ate the whole ice cream. I can't even eat it. So you're not gonna go with me? You sweet. Oh, my seed buds.
You please.
Your birthday's Wednesday. You didn't tell me. I don't know. I don't know when I'm gonna come back, but where are you at? I'm at Disneyland. Not Disneyland. We're at the
Disney's Adventure.
Disney's Adventures. Yeah, the other park. Not Disneyland, but the one in front of it.
We have been having so
But
much
they got lucky they met them. It was only because of me and Joseph.
Rar.
The right side of my body's getting burned, bro.
When is your birthday again?
When is your birthday again?
Soon. It's about to be Nana's birthday.
I know, the 15th. My shawty is turning.
And then Edward,
14 days.
Joseph's
Reese is
double
3 days
digits
before yours.
destiny. You can't know. You can't be growing up anymore. You stop at your double digits, which is 10.
It's gonna be 10, double digits.
Stop at your double digits.
Every time on my
Edward's
birthday, I
about
get
to be
donuts.
17, right?
18.
18.
18, girl. I'm about to be 18 soon.
No, you're not.
What's good?
You're about to be 17.
Who said that?
Wait.
Why y'all lying on my name?
She's actually gonna turn 21.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You didn't know that yesterday?
Oh.
Did you lose track of my age? Wow. I don't lose
I lost
track.
track of my age.
What, you
I lost track of it.
You did?
Yeah, we're done. I feel like she's still 31.
No,
But she's 32.
I never remember turning 30. Like, I thought I was always like 27, 28. When we went to China for Lifetime, I was arguing with the lady in the front.
Really?
Because I was like, I am not 32. I'm not, because at the time, I was like, I'm not 31.
Mhm.
I was like, I'm 29 or something like that. She's like, were you born in 1989? I was like, yes. She's like, you are. I was like,
You're dumb, Yamil. She really lost track of her
Your
age.
fan pages are like about to be your age.
I never remember turning 30.
I remember 2020.
I remember turning 15.
I can't imagine what Nana's quinceañera is gonna be like.
I'm gonna be the drunky ass.
Isn't Joseph gonna be like 20 something?
I'm gonna be 20, what? I'll be like, what, 20? Oh, you already gonna see me now. You already know.
I know Desiree's gonna be like.
I'm gonna be the lit aunt.
I'll be
I'm not even your aunt, but I'm your cousin, but
You're
still.
just gonna be the all who spoils everything.
Okay,
No.
and what about it?
And what about it? Like,
And what about it? I'm 15 September.
But what about Edward's
That's my
birthday?
boyfriend's
What are
birthday.
we doing for his birthday?
My boyfriend's
We'll be
birthday.
18 and we'll go to a club.
Really?
You're gonna be 18?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
this is too hot. My
You go to a
mom.
club, motherfucker.
It's too hot. Look, feel it. Feel it.
My tongue piercing is just purple. It literally just says player. But I'm not.
That's big.
It's because I have no other tongue piercing, so I had
Dude, we're
to put
tripping
this
so
one
good.
in.
Still gotta get
See, Desiree? She tripping, saying it's
That
nasty.
shit is nasty. I mean, I did not like it.
That shit
Good.
is bullshit, bro.
It tastes like arroz, like the arroz con leche, like real arroz.
For real?
Like it tastes like arroz con leche. You have mom makes arroz con leche.
I don't,
He's never ate the arroz con leche.
You don't like it?
never tried it.
He doesn't like it, but he never tried it.
Oh. I finished.
Try it.
It's safe player, but I'm not. What the hell?
First hot. Something in it.
It was good. It's good, Mom.
Damn, turn 18. About to turn 18.
I like my food. My food was good.
I need more water.
Well, I'm not gonna make
Huh?
a nice one.
Well,
I
just
can't
give
find
me that.
friends anymore.
Oh, Desiree,
You can't what?
Desiree, you have the plastic bag?
Fight?
Yeah,
What do you mean fight?
your friends.
I never fought my friend.
Desiree, do you have the plastic bag?
Oh, what?
What plastic bag?
Vinny's outfit?
My mother has it.
In that bag, the water and the Gatorade. He doesn't have it.
What?
Are you really serious right now? Are you serious? I got up to get to the ride. The bag is next to you. Okay, I got it. No, you don't have it?
What?